Have you recently been refused a UK visa? One of the things that happens when we apply for a UK visa and we get a refusal, we just assume that the Home Office was 100% right, even when we know that the information we have submitted it's correct. One thing I want us to know is that the Home Office is not always 100% right. There may be times that the caseworker may go to work very tired, very exhausted, or maybe having a bad day, and they may not really take time to look at the documents you have submitted, or maybe the way you have completed your form, and next thing you will receive is a refusal. Now, not every refusal on your UK visa application you should accept, especially when you're very sure that you have submitted all the documents required for your application. So if you're one of those, or you know anybody who has recently applied for a UK visa that has got a refusal, or you're planning to apply for a UK visa, then stick around and watch this video right to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you all in our beautiful family. In today's video, guys, I'm just going to be sharing a very important information just in case your UK visa has been refused, or you applied for a visa for your mom or your dad, your sibling, and it was refused. You can use this process to challenge it and see if you will get it. Now, I have not spoken about this before on this channel, which is why I'm sharing this. I've seen quite a good number of people using this process, and the Home Office revisited their application and found that they were actually wrong for refusing their visas and later approved it. So, which is why I want you guys to know about this option. It's not always about administrative review. We know that there are some UK visas that you are not allowed to apply for administrative review, especially when you apply as a visitor. So, but with this now, even if you're applying for a visiting visa, you can review that visa once it is rejected and have a second chance of getting the visa approved, which is why I'm sharing this video. So guys, please like and share this video with your friends and loved ones, and also do subscribe and join our beautiful family if you're yet to do that. So without wasting so much of your time, let's quickly dive right into today's video. So this is an information from someone who applied for a UK visit visa and the person's visa was refused, and the person went ahead to apply for this PAP, and the Home Office wrote to the person, just as you can see on my screen, pre-action protocol PAP. You should submit a pre-action protocol PAP later to the Home Office UKVI before you issue the judicial review proceeding against the Home Office UKVI to challenge the refusal of a UK visa and immigration application. A pre-action protocol PAP letter is a letter written to the Home Office UKVI in order to try and resolve a dispute concerning an immigration matter before judicial review proceedings are started against the Home Office. Now, a pre-action protocol PAP letter may also be called a letter before claim or a letter before action. All of these terms refer to the same thing. By sending a pre-action protocol letter to the Home Office, you put the Secretary of State for the Home Department on notice that you intend to file a judicial review against the Home Office UKVI decision to refuse the UK visa and immigration application, and you give detailed grounds and reasons which render the decision of the Home Office UKVI unlawful. You give the Secretary of State 14 days notice to reconsider the refusal decision, following which you will issue the judicial review proceeding in the court. You should send a pre-action protocol PAP letter to Home Office UKVI by filing an immigration judicial review in court and ask the Home Office UKVI to reconsider its refusal decision within 14 days. Like I said, that there are so many times that even as individual, you just wake up, go to work on a bad day, you're not really concentrating and paying full attention to whatever you're doing. It's same applicable to everyone, not just people that don't work for Home Office. And also when it comes to the case workers as well, there have been times that they go to work not really happy on a bad day and they just decide on visas like any other person. Now, why I'm sharing this, I have seen people apply for PAP and they reviewed their visa application. The refusal that was given to them in the past, which I'm also going to share in this video, was changed to approval, only to find out that the caseworker didn't really pay so much attention to go through the supporting documents and so on. When to send a pre-action protocol PAP later, you can challenge the unlawfulness of UK visa refusal by way of pre-action protocol PAP against the Home Office UKVI in one of the following circumstances. 1. The refusal decision does not confirm your right to appeal or ask for administrative review of the refusal of your UK visa and immigration application, especially with visit visa. There is no right for review. You don't have even that opportunity to review. Administrative review against the refusal of your UK visa and immigration application has been unsuccessful, and you do not have the right to appeal against the refusal. So when you don't have the right to appeal, now your application for reconsideration of refusal of naturalization as a British citizen has been unsuccessful. You can do this part. The Home Office UK visa has failed or omitted to make a decision on your UK visa and immigration application in a reasonable time frame, and the delay in the processing of the application can be challenged by way of pre-action protocol, PAP later, and judicial review, particularly if you are prejudiced and adversary or affected by such delay or omission on part of the Home Office UK VI. Now, I'm going to share the letter that Home Office sent to this candidate. They sent this letter to say the visa was refused and the candidate challenged it, which is why I'm sharing this video. Not all refusers that you should say, oh, the Home Office refused me, Home Office banned me for 10 years, Home Office did this, Home Office did that. Now, just as you can see, your application to visit the UK for 4 days to attend graduation. In support of your application, you have provided passport, bank statement, sponsors, bank statement, other supporting documents. Yeah, they stated why this visa was refused. Now, I don't want to go into much detail. Let me just take the last paragraph in the refusal letter Home Office sent to this candidate, because I don't want this video to be too long. In assessing your application, I have taken into account all of the available related information provided, including your declared financial and self-employment status, as well as family circumstances in your country of residence. In the light of the information provided by you, I'm not satisfied that your domestic situation is such that you will leave the UK. I have also considered any related travel history, plus the reasons provided for traveling now. Given all of the above factors regarding information provided, including your declared social and economic ties where you are based, I am therefore not satisfied that you are a genuine visitor coming for the reasons stated and that you will leave the UK at the end of your visit. Given the above, I am not satisfied that you are genuinely seeking entry for a purpose that is permitted under the visitor route, and that you will leave the UK at the end of your stay. This person disagreed with this and also applied for the pre-action protocol, because when it comes to the visit visa, like I earlier mentioned, that you don't have the right to administrative review. Now, with reference to your application for entry clearance, reference number, of course, is hidden, to the United Kingdom, we would like to invite you to resubmit your passport to the Visa Application Center. We have reconsidered your application. Therefore, please disregard our previous email containing a refusal notice. You can see, like I earlier mentioned, that not all refusals from the Home Office you should accept. Office is asking this candidate to resubmit their passport for their visa. We have reconsidered your application. Therefore, please disregard our previous email containing a refusal notice. Please bring this letter which you should present at the center with your passport. You're reminded that you should avoid making travel plans until you have collected your passport, as the outcome of your visa application is not final until you receive your passport. Please ensure you check the details on your visa when collecting your passport. So, like I said, when this person applied for the pre-action protocol, they submitted all the documents, they submitted everything they felt that the Home Office omitted, and they went back to look at it. And here is it, the Home Office have responded asking them to ignore the refusal. So if you have recently submitted your application, or maybe you've gotten a refusal for your mom, for your dad, for your sister, for anybody who is planning to come visit you in the UK, or maybe you're still overseas and you're planning to visit somebody, or you're planning to come to the UK and your visa has been refused. Like I said, the Home Office is not always perfect. The caseworker is just a human being, just like you and me, and they are not always perfect. Like we know, we are not all perfect. When your visa is refused and you know within yourself that those informations you have provided to Home Office are 100% genuine, true, please, if you don't have the right for administrative review, apply for pre-action protocol, because I'm sure that they will sit back and review the application. You're better off doing that, to be sure. So even when Home Office comes back to you to say, oh, they are not even going to give you the visa after applying for that, you can look through it and see the reasons. So when next you're filling your visa form, you know the things to meet, you know what they have stated out for you, instead of not doing that at all. So this is just what it is, guys. Please like and share this video with your friends and loved ones, especially those who have been refused, those who are planning to bring their family, those who have had a refusal from Home Office. Try to apply for pre-action protocol and see the outcome. Even those who are banned for 10 years. I've actually seen someone that the Home Office banned for 10 years that they use a fake COS. But now, the wife who the person is applying to depend on is already in the UK on a valid COS. But when he applied, coming to depend on the wife, the Home Office said he has used a fake COS. I think I shared a video on that. They've applied for a administrative review and we are waiting for the outcome. And I know the outcome will be positive because the main applicant is in the UK on a valid visa and on a valid COS. So why would they ban the dependent? That's to show you that the Home Office is not always 100% right. So if you know anyone who has just recently got a refusal, please like and share this video with them, and I hope this video helps them. Just Google pre-action protocol. You will see all the information about it and you will also see how to go about it. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do find this video helpful, please do like and share this video with your friends and loved ones, and also do subscribe and join our beautiful family if you're yet to do that. And until I see you in my next video, guys, do take care and have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.